Hi, I hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing another Dollar Tree haul. This one here is part 2. I just filmed part 1. It's a massive haul. This one's just like it. We have a lot of like organizing things, like a lot of like back to school products were on sale, whatever, so I grabbed those. And then we have like some beauty products, some skincare products. We have a lot of Ioni nails as well that I found. So if you want to see what I picked up this time around, just keep on watching. Don't forget I have a playlist which is going to be down below, so definitely check that out as well. So we're going to start off with the biggest thing in here. We have the Jot rectangle felt bulletin boards. So I bought 2 of these because I want to do a little bit of a vision board vibe with these. I'm kind of debating whether I want to pick up 4 in total, like have 2 more of these to make it like into a big like square. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know what's going on, but I picked these up because, girl, they look cute. I love the color, and I just didn't want to like miss out on it and then not get it and then not be able to find it later. So I picked up 2 of those, and now they have like giant whiteboards at Dollar Tree as well, so definitely keep a lookout for those. But I love any type of like whiteboard, any type of like organizing vision boards, all of that I love. So I did go ahead and pick up 2 of those, and they do come with little pins on the back, or if you want to like stick it onto the wall, it has that option as well. So yeah, these are so cute. I'm actually, should I take them out? I don't want the little plastic. And I do have my fan directly facing me. It is extremely hot today, so sorry about the muffling. I know it's annoying. Bear with me. It is extremely hot. If I look all ugly and sweaty, and you know, that's not cute, and I'm not feeling it if I'm like that. So let me be, okay? It also comes with a little like thing. I guess you could hang it. You see the little pink. Okay, cute. Ooh, that was gonna be like fuzzy. I was kind of scared it was gonna be fuzzy, but it's actually really good like material. Cute. Yay, can't wait to like print out some pictures and throw them on here, girl. I also picked up these products. These are the Teaching Tree dry erase paddles because I want to do a video with my sister where we do like never have I ever, or like answering questions or whatever of these. Maybe we could even do like are you smarter than a 5th grader kind of vibe, something cute, because I know you guys love having her on the channel. So I did pick up 2 of these little boards. I'm gonna go ahead and open them. So they're just paddle whiteboards. Teachers use them, I guess, I don't know. Just little paddle whiteboards, really cute, really easy. I forgot to mention for the little like vision board things, I also picked up these Corner Office by Jot push pins, and it comes with a total of 15 pieces. I bought 2, and they're just cute little push pins with little like pom-poms on them. I just thought these were really cute, so I bought 2 of those. I'm gonna keep these in the little packaging though until I need them. I also got 2 of the Expo dry erase markers for those little whiteboards. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these. And just a traditional Expo pen. This is also another random thing, but I like to have these on hand. These are the expressions from Hallmark 6 blank card note things. I love to have these for like anybody's birthday, for Christmas time, it doesn't matter. And I like different little designs. So I picked up this design here, which has like cute little flowers on them. And they're pink, they're purple. It's just really cute. So yeah, and they're blank, so you can put whatever you want in there, money, a gift card, whatever. And it does come with the little white envelopes as well. I have the Sassy Chic eyelash case with mirror. I could have sworn I just purchased this. I remember having like deja vu because I haven't filmed this haul. It's just been sitting there for months at this point. So I did pick up the little like cherry case. I do already have like the strawberry one, I believe. I have a couple of these. These are really good. There's a look at that little eyelash case. Really cute, and it does give you quite a bit of space to put like different lashes, and you also do get a mirror on the inside as well. It broke. So moving on to hair accessories, we have the Scünci by Conair claw clip. It just comes with 1 on here. I don't really use these a whole lot. I don't know why I bought it, to be honest, but they're cute and it's pink. So I bought this one here, just a normal claw clip. I also got this one from, it just says claw clip. I don't know who the brand is. I think it's a different brand, but this one looked really intriguing as well. I love this like pinky purple kind of color. It gives me brat vibes. It's so cute. And then another Scünci by Conair product. It comes with 2 claw clips, and it's a little set of 2 pink but these are like the little ones, so I picked these up as well. There's a look at one because the other one's on the floor, but really cute. I also did find the other Barbie tissue box. You guys know I'm always running out of these, so I really like to buy them when I can. So it's really cute. I think they changed up the box because it looks glossy. Really cute. I just like having these. Let's get into some of the skincare. We have the Dermasil Labs exfoliating facial scrub. I was in need of a facial scrub. I hope this one's good. I haven't tried it. Let me know, have you tried it in the comments down below? Is it good? Is it not? This was $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my skincare. And I like to exfoliate my face once a week in the shower. I don't know how often you're supposed to do it, but that feels safe for me. I don't know. We also have this Lush body oil. We have this Lush body lotion, which I just thought was so cute. It's a cute little aesthetic. It's a cute little baby body lotion. I keep trying to say oil. I also do have the Sassy Chic makeup brush. I think some of the other hauls that I did, I bought a green one and I really did enjoy it. So I went ahead and bought it in purple because it's actually really cute. Did, from what I remember, fray a lot. So that's the only thing. But I just thought this is so cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my little brush drawer. I also went ahead and bought this product. It just looked really interesting. This is the Vivo Hemp Oil Collagen Boosting for firmer looking skin. So this is a hemp and collagen serum from the brand Vivo. And I just thought it was really interesting because I hadn't seen this before. There's a look at that. It literally has nothing on the product. Just like a little baby font that says hemp and collagen serum, but no like brand or anything, which is really interesting. But look, it has like little green balls in there. Cool. We're gonna have to see how this works, and it is a little pump product. Again, let me know, have you tried any of these products? Let me in the comments, do they suck? Let me know. Let's stick with the green products. I have this Color Vibe Gel Like Shine nail polish that I did buy for when we go to Orlando, because I do have my like Shrek ears, which you guys have seen. My shirt, I'm gonna take the same one when we go to Universal, and I also did buy this nail polish for that. We're gonna be going to do different parks over there, so I thought this was cute. And this is in the shade Highlighter. Before we get into nails, because I have quite a few, we have the Ioni Cosmetics lashes. So we have 3 pairs. We have the Ioni Cosmetics 3D Faux Mink lashes in the style Mood. These are the wispy crisscross full doll eye, which honestly I tried these on earlier because I did do a full face of Ioni. They suck. I don't like them, so I'm gonna give those away. We also have these here, and these are the wispy medium cat eye lashes. And then lastly, we have the wispy angel spiky cluster doll lashes, which are really cute. Onto the nails, we have these 7 nail. I know I always say that these suck, don't buy them, and I'm the person that keeps buying from them. So this is the just like medium-sized nails. They're really cute. They're small, not too small. They're just so cute. They're like little cherries, and it has like blue on them. I honestly need to go through my nail drawer, my press-on nails, and just like declutter because I have way too many. I like came across this whole like new Ioni collection at Dollar Tree. This is the nail art tweezer. We also have the nail cuticle oil, which you guys know I do use, but this one here is in just purple. There's a close-up at that. You just kind of like twist this, and then the product comes out of the little brush. You just brush it on. So again, they did have a couple of new press-on nails. These are actually the first time that I see them come out with the square medium size. They always come out with the super long ones. That's it. That's pretty much it. So these are the Ioni Cosmetics nail art tips, and it comes with 12 nails. These are the square round shape in Hangout. And I only bought 1 box. I think this is the only one they had available. So we're gonna see how these work. And it does give you instructions if you've never done press-ons on the back. But yeah, that's a really cute style. We also have these here. These are also really nice, and they never come out with like oval almond shaped nails either. So these are again the nail art tips. These come with 12 each. So I just bought two boxes, and this is the almond shaped nails in Mood. They just look really intriguing. And lastly, we have these here. These are the nail art tips. Comes with 12 nails as well. All of them are the same. And these are the ballerina long. Now these I actually did try to pop on. I had them on for a day, and I just could not handle them because they were not, you know, usually nails are like kind of not like all the way folded. These are so folded. It was like you kind of have to squish them down to glue, but then it's like as the day goes on, it's just kind of pulling on your nail, like kind of squishing it together. I do not know how to explain that. It's just not the right shape for my nails, so I'm kind of like devastated because I love these nails. They're so cute. I love the design, but my nails were not having it and they were hurting as well, so kind of sad about that. But I cannot wait to try on the almond ones and the short ones as well. So that was it. That was the last product for today's haul. Again, this was a 2-part series, so check out the description box for the link so you guys can watch my past videos. And don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave. Let me know your thoughts on any of these products in the comments. I'll see you there, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.